We've got some great live art events happening at shopkeeparty.com this coming week. Let's go and see what they are. First of all, before we get into the week, just highlighting a art aid project in Africa, and we've actually got a date set now, 22nd of September. I hope you can help support us and you can join us and the school there and see the kids using the art materials. Click this button and find out more there. So, kicking off, Fawzia Shabnam, live from Bangladesh on Sunday the 15th of August. There's a message from our Asian co-host, Nisha, and you can find out a little bit more about what we're going to be doing in this workshop. It's going to be huge fun and a nice floral workshop, and we've got the reference pictures that we sent out to you the day before. There's some reference photos of some of the artwork that Fawzia has done there as well. Simply click the link, or if you're a patron you can get a discount as well. So I hope you can join us for that one. Then on Tuesday 17th we've got a free event. It's a pen and wash event with Laszlo from Hungary. Really interesting. Do click the details there and find out more. Following that, we're flying to Cape Town for a live acrylic and watercolour event with renowned acrylic and watercolour artist Derek Rensburg in Cape Town. This will be a really great, we've done a couple of workshops with Derek now. He's always so giving with his techniques and his experience, and you will definitely learn an awful lot in this workshop. So do check out the class, and if you want to book, click this link, and again, if you're a patron you can get a discount. On Wednesday, if you are a patron of Shopkeep Arty, you can join a live event. You can meet other patrons. It's a face-to-face webinar, so you can see everybody joining in, and it's really good fun. And we'll also be launching all the events for September, so do join us there if you can. On Thursday, it's slightly different actually. We normally have a patron-only class, or something that you can pay, which we do have, with Jane Bettridge, a floral class. But we've also got another free class with an artist in Brazil, Lillian Arbex, at 3:30. So 2 free classes if you're a patron. If you're not a patron, you can click through here and it's got a link to purchase the one-off ticket, which costs £6. Obviously if you are a patron and pay £5 a month, you get free access to all these events anyway. But this should be a really lovely, Jane's an amazing floral artist. Again, we've hosted her lots and lots of times, and it's always really good fun and really relaxing. You can learn loads as well. And then Lillian afterwards, click this button to find out more there. Hope that. Don't forget, if you want to be kept up to date with all our live streams and videos, head over to YouTube, search for Shopkeep Arty, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that way we'll notify you every time we launch a new video and you won't miss a thing. Look forward to seeing you soon, and have a great weekend. Bye.